Hi there crafty friends, have you ever wanted to knit beautiful pieces without all the hassle? Well, say hello to the new Lincraft Knitting Machine. It's fun, fast and perfect for beginners and seasonal crafters alike. Let's check it out. This little powerhouse makes knitting a breeze. With just a few turns of the handle, you can create cozy scarves, beanies and even blankets in no time. Getting started is quick and effortless. First, secure the machine by attaching the suction cups and legs. Then add the tension guide. Choose between circular knitting for a seamless tube or panel knitting for flat pieces. No need to count rows manually, our built-in round counter does it for you. Today I'm using Lincraft's Super Value Ball in teal. Begin by turning the handle until you see the white hook. This marks the start of your row. To cast on, place the yarn end in the center of the machine and manually weave it in and out of the hooks as you rotate. Once you return to the white hook, feed the yarn through the tension guide and start cranking. Keep going until you reach your desired row count. When you're ready to cast off, cut the yarn, leaving a long tail and place the end in the center. Complete one more row, then use a needle to thread through each live stitch, securing your project with ease. Whether you're crafting for yourself or your loved ones. Ready to start knitting the easy way? Grab your Lincraft knitting machine in store or online today. Don't forget to share your creations with us using #Lincraft. Happy knitting!